check out how bad this melody is. Nothing special, right? Nothing special at all. What's up? I'm Avi. Welcome back to May Melody Madness, where I'm celebrating the release of my first online course, the Just Right Music Melody Mastery Mini Course. Today, I'm sharing a really quick melody tip that's going to take any boring melody, literally as boring as this, but I'm going to show you just one little trick that's going to blow this wide open and make even this something, at the very least, usable. That is called the Octave Trick. Now, all the Octave Trick is taking a note that feels boring to you and throwing it up or down an octave. Now, which way do you go, up or down? That is something that you can glean from the music itself, or you can just follow your ear. Either way. Let's discuss that first one, though. How can you glean from the music which way you should go? It's all about melodic contour. If we're already going up, then go down. It's all about opposites. If you've been going down, then go up. So in this case, we've been going A, C, D, up to E, and then we have this repeat of an E. So I'm going to hit this an octave down. That's what I'm going to do. So now we have this. That E, even though it's just an octave, we're going down, but it did wonders for the contour because we just have this single line going up like this, and suddenly, bam, all the way down, just like that. It adds contrast. Really wonderful. Then we jump back up, right, which is fine. I'm kind of jumping back into our normal register. And another repeated note, I'm going to continue this same thing and just do that again one more time, right? Because now this is adding a little bit more balance to that first bar. Already, for me at least, that is so much better. Honestly, we could even just literally done. Maybe that one goes up because we've been going down. So if we're going to use that same rule, we try that. Not bad. Let's see how it sounds down the octave, continuing this descent. Yeah, I think I like the first one better. Keeping with the task at hand, keeping with the method I just taught you. Let's listen. That is already so much more interesting than that first version of this was. Just by looking at a little bit of the melodic contour, taking some repeated notes, plumping them down an octave over here in this bar 2, and then up the octave in bar 3. That's it. That's all we did. That's how powerful the octave trick can be. So that was just using the music itself of what's happening in the melody as a guide. Let's go back, do it the other way. Here's a little palette cleanser of what it sounded like before. Yuck. So much more boring. Gross. So now, all right, we're taking this. We're going to do some octave play. Octave play. Uh-oh. Let's not get demonetized. So now I'm just going to sort of go with wherever my ear is taking me. So let's go up this time. Let's use one of these C's that we didn't do before, right? So we have this. Love that so far. Yep. Love that so much. Oh my God. Oh, so this is one of my favorite things to do with the octave trick is to use these really like disparate jumps to create some wonderful sounding resolutions that ultimately are like not extremely technical. These are the same notes. We are still just using the same notes. These are 3 A's, but we're just spreading them across the octave, making those A's sound as different as possible. Let's hear this fun little melody. Oh my gosh. I like this one better than the first one. Follow your ear, guys. There's like inquisitiveness in there. We don't know where we're necessarily headed. Same pitches, and yet it's dramatic. It's just way more dramatic, and the drama creates intrigue, just like reality TV. Boom. So there you go. That is how you can use the octave trick to make any boring old melody crazy fun. If you want to learn more tips just like the octave trick, you should check out my free guide, 7 ways to write a more effective melody. There's a video version of this now, so you go check it out. It's going to be really fun. I'll see you over there. In fact, if you want even more and you want to learn not just the octave trick, but like all of the super fantastic melodic tools that melodic masters of the past and present today use, you should check out the thing that I mentioned earlier at the beginning at the top of the video, my new course. the Just Right Music Melody Mastery Mini Course. Check out both of those at justrightmusic.com. There's a link down in the doobly-doo. However, if you want to hang out with me here on YouTube for a little bit longer, and I don't blame you, it's cool over here, we got some fun stuff going on, check out the video that's popping up on your screen right now. That's going to help you learn how to write a powerful harmony for your melody. Thanks so much for watching and for hanging out with me today. I'm Avi. Don't forget to be awesome.